Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp chats to Google Drive without losing history. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. Next, look for the Chat Backup option and select it. You will see the Backup to Google Drive section. Tap on it to choose the backup frequency. You can select options like daily, weekly, or monthly. If you haven't linked your Google Drive account yet, tap on Google Account. Select the Google account you want to use for the backup or add a new account if necessary. Once your account is linked, return to the Chat Backup screen. Make sure to tap the Backup Over option. Choose between Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular based on your preference. Now, review the option to include videos in the backup. Toggle this feature on or off according to your needs. After ensuring all settings are correct, tap on the green Backup button. Wait for the backup process to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on your chat history and media files. Once the backup is finished, you will see the last backup time displayed on the screen. Your WhatsApp chats are now safely backed up to Google Drive without losing your history. To restore your chats in the future, simply reinstall WhatsApp and follow the prompts to restore from Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.